Here's a little bonus footage for any of for any of you that are still watching. I haven't started low and slow all winter, so we're gonna fire him up, provided he starts. Maybe the batteries are dead. I don't know. I didn't put a tender on it, so this is like a long. Who's that? Yeah, it's good. It's got oil. So there we go. Put her back in. Oh, I love this truck. I got my bed back there, and I love the tan. I do have to do the headliner. Part of why I haven't is I got a leak, and every once in a while it'll just drip, and it's just a drip, but I don't want it dripping on the headliner, so I think I gotta grind those hucks off and redo that. But let's see if there's any juice in this bad boy. Oh, that's a good sign. Now this truck only has 2 batteries too, so but I'm gonna turn the fan off, give it all the juice it can get. Okay. This truck is so good. So good. Like she just fired right up like it's no big deal. I love this truck. I'm just gonna say, guys, what a good truck. I don't think I ever want to sell this one because she's such a good truck. Yeah. A little bit of smoke.